Hi, this is Litre Potato Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Holden Astra, stock number 6320. This ran from the 9th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It has a B14 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a B14 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,